Buckle up, guys, because we are about to dive deep into the MEMEFI airdrop. If you've been losing sleep on this very airdrop, I can assure you that you are not alone. A lot of crypto enthusiasts like you are losing sleep as well and taking their mining to the next level with the hope that something juicy is going to come out of this very airdrop. And the truth is, with the way things are going right now, the MEMEFI airdrop have 70% chance of doing well. That is, it may cook, so it have 70% chance of cooking, in my opinion. Few days left to the listing of MEMEFI on major exchanges, although the exchanges have not been listed or mentioned yet. But the 30th of this very month of October 2024 remained the set date by the MEMEFI team for listing. And we hope that things is going to favor all of us that are mining this airdrop, and including you watching this very video right now. The question everyone is asking is, how many MEMEFI token can I get from this very airdrop, since the criteria have been set by the MEMEFI team? And that is what I will be discussing in this very video. So in this video, let's discuss the MEMEFI airdrop criteria, MEMEFI token allocation, MEMEFI 90% airdrop, and many more. So if you are not mining MEMEFI yet, I can tell you that you are missing out big time, because this airdrop may cook. Join the MEMEFI airdrop right now with the link in the description of this very video, and that'll be the first link, and join right now. It is not late. And also join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment, for more crypto videos and compelling technical analysis and other updates. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you come to the MEMEFI community right here, you see that who is getting the MEMEFI airdrop is a question. Today, we are revealing the complete criteria for the MEMEFI airdrop. Some of you guys have already had a peek at the draft in the chat. We have made a few revisions to the text, and this is very important. So I will quickly click on this and let's look at the criteria together, which is very, very important, so that you know what to do and what not to do, or what to focus on. So if you read this very message, dear MEMEFI community, we have been working tirelessly to ensure your mining efforts are properly rewarded. The design of this airdrop has been a matter of extensive debate, discussion, and research. Learning from past failures, we are putting immense efforts into realizing this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for both you and us. This will be a complex, non-linear, weighted airdrop, taking into account data spanning all areas of the MEMEFI ecosystem. To prevent exploitation by cheaters and other malicious actors, some criteria will remain hidden, marked as hidden criterion. And this is very important. The most important thing here is the fact that they've already specified that this airdrop is going to be complex, and that is why you don't need to kill yourself for it, okay? Because you don't know how the complexity is going to be surrounding this very statement you can read right here, which is very important. And the next thing we find right here is, if you go down, you see this airdrop is divided into two categories. The first one is the Telegram app user and the Web3 user. And if you read down, for both user type, there are core, that is user score, and bonuses, that is the multiplier criteria right here. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now if you are mining this airdrop with your Telegram mini app, so that you know the possibility of what you will be getting at the end of the day. And don't over expect from the MEMEFI airdrop, okay? Don't over expect the token allocation that will be given to you. And the next thing here is the Telegram app airdrop. Remember, MEMEFI have already stated that the total allocation for airdrop is 90% of the total supply, and we already know for sure that the total supply is 10 billion, okay? So 10 billion of the token and 90 billion for airdroppers, that is 9 billion of this very token is going to airdroppers. Now, it has not stopped there. 85% of the airdroppers using Telegram mini app is going to get this very token. 85%. That means 8.5 billion, okay, 8.5 billion of the airdrop of the token is going to go for Telegram app users. And this is what you need to understand as well. So if you are using Web3 and also using Telegram app, you should be in a little bit more advantage compared to those using only Telegram app or Web3 app. Now, if you go a little bit down and see the core criteria for those using the Telegram mini app, you see that the core eligibility criteria is number one. Look at it, number one. So you give priority to this stuff. Total value of all purchases, which is all ton transaction plus star purchase. So if you have not purchased star or purchased anything using ton, you may be in a very bad position, okay? You may be in a disadvantaged position. You will get the airdrop certainly, but you will get a very little airdrop. Now, one thing you need to understand is that you remember the keyword core eligibility criteria. And number one here is total value of all purchases, all ton plus star transaction. That means those that purchase stars and perform ton transaction have advantage compared to those that did not. This is very important. The next one is amount of coin. Remember, if you buy spin with ton or with star, the result of you buying spin with ton or star is for you to get more coin. Now, whatever way that makes you have more coin, you should also have a good position of getting considerable amount of this very airdrop. So also pay attention to amount of coin. But the number one thing here is this very one, then followed by this very guy, which is very important. These criteria are independent. Fulfilling only one is sufficient to receive the associated airdrop. So each of these very one, the first one and the second one, have associated token attached to it, okay, based on their calculation, which is not revealed right here. So pay attention to this guy because it's very important for your airdrop and your allocation. What this means is no matter how small it is, you will be qualified for this very airdrop. Reason is because their criteria for you getting the airdrop is very, very small. So in as much as you have a minimum coin balance or coin amount, you will still be qualified for this airdrop. That is what this very statement means. So no matter how small your coin balance is or you qualify for all these criteria, you will still get the airdrop. And the reason is because their own criteria for getting this airdrop is very, very minimal. Okay, it's at the lowest point, making almost everybody to qualify for this very airdrop. So if you read this statement right here, top players by coin will receive reward in a linear fashion. So if you're among the top players, congratulations, because there will be a linear distribution for those on top of the game. Let's say first 10, first 20, or first 100, depending on what they are going to do. Bonus criteria that everyone can get include hidden criterion, which no one know what this hidden criterion is, and then on-chain ton transaction. The question is, have you been performing ton transaction? If you have not, then forget about it. You will not get this bonus. And then the next one is giveaway participation. The question is, have you been participating in giveaways? If you have not been participating in giveaways, that means forget about it, you will not get this. Are you on MEMEFI Premium? If you're not on MEMEFI Premium, you are not going to get this as well. And also participation in campaigns. These criteria will have specific multipliers to increase the user score. This is also very important. You see, this very statement is also very important. So pay attention to this. And I believe every one of us mining this airdrop right now is going to get this very airdrop. And also you can read this very important statement, which is very important. Now, if you're a Web3 player, 5% of this very airdrop have been given to Web3. And also these are the criteria right here. We have core criteria, which is testnet points, mainnet points, and we have testnet festival NFT, and we have GAR stickers and nomic score holders. These are the core criteria for the Web3 miners, which I believe Web3 miners are very, very small. And those doing Web3, if you're among them, comment below in the comment section. I believe you're going to get a chunk of this very airdrop, because 5% is huge compared to the number of persons that are mining this airdrop with Web3 right now. So this is very important, guys. Now, there are key things I want you to take note of from this very message and criteria that MEMEFI have already set for all of us. If you've not been performing ton transaction, you need to lower your expectation, number one. Secondly, if you are not on MEMEFI Premium, you need to lower your expectation, number two. And then if you have not been participating in giveaways, you need to lower your expectation, number three. And also, I know that everybody do campaigns, which is very, very fine. Okay, this one is out of it. But if you did not do this one and this one, then lower your expectation. Not only that, if you have not been doing this very one right here, if you have not purchased star at all, or you've not purchased ton, that means you need to also lower your expectation, because getting high expectation when you have not done all of this does not mean anything. So what you need to do right now is to bring down your expectation from this very airdrop, because their airdrop is a non-linear type and it's going to be very complex. So these are very important, guys. I believe strongly that if you have been doing ton transaction and buying stars, you are going to be in a good position of getting a good percentage of this very airdrop, and also including the bonuses, which is very important. Now, one thing very important right here is, I am not saying you should go and use your money and start buying stars and performing ton transaction. That's not what I'm saying. I am only giving you a possible scenario and what you should be looking at, and that you should cut your expectation short if you have not done this. If you have the capacity and you think you have the capacity to do this very ton transaction and start participating in some of this stuff and also buying stars, you can do it. But know that it's a risk you are taking. It's not a financial advice. In as much as we have 90% of the total token supply that is going to be released to airdroppers, I believe strongly that the MEMEFI airdrop is going to play out very well. We are very, very hopeful, and that the MEMEFI team is going to do something great for all airdroppers. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates and comparing technical analysis. The link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.